All right, so now we have an order of operations problem. Okay, so to solve these, we need to follow the following steps. Order of operations: parentheses, exponents, multiply or divide, add or subtract. All right, so for A, we don't have any parentheses or exponents, but I'm going to multiply before I add because that's the first thing I need to do in the order of operations. So the first thing I'm going to do is 4/5 times 2024. So 4/5 times 20/24 equals 4 times 20 over 5 times 24. All right, I can cross cancel because I have common factors for all these. 24 and 4. My common factor is 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 24 divided by 4 is 6. For 20 and 5, it's 5. So 5. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Sorry. So 20 divided by 5 is 4, and then 5 divided by 5 is 1. So that becomes 1 times 4 over 1 times 6, which equals 4, 6. All right, don't worry, I'm going to erase that. Now, I could simplify that. I'm not this time until I add that 3/4, okay? So now my expression can be 3/4 plus 4/6. All right, now I need to get my denominators the same, so that would be 4 and 6. The common denominator is 12. So 4 times 3 is 12, so 3 times 3 is 9. 6 times 2 is 12, so 4 times 2 is 8. And I get 17/12. All right, that is my answer in the simplest form. Okay, so multiplication, then the addition. Okay, I'm going to erase this and then give you guys just the answers visually. Oh, yeah, I forgot one step. 17/12, so that was an improper fraction. I don't know what I was thinking. I need to get that. I need to take care of that. I need to reduce that to a mixed number. So that becomes 17/12 becomes 1 and 5/12. All right, B. All right, so the first thing, this time I do have parentheses, so I need to take care of the parentheses first. So I have 1/2 plus 2/3. Now I got to get my denominators the same, so that's 3/6 plus 4/6. That's going to give me 7/6. All right, I don't want to convert that into a proper fraction yet. I'm going to finish out the problem. So now my problem becomes 3/4 times 7/6 minus 1/5. Okay, and that just means multiplication. So I can do 3 times 7 over 4 times 6 minus 1/5. I cross cancel. That's 1. That's 2. I can't cross cancel 7 and 4. And so that becomes 7/8 minus 1/5. Okay, now I got to get my denominators the same. So that becomes 40 is a common denominator of 8 and 5. So 35/40 minus 8/40, and that's going to give me 35 minus 8 is 27/40. And I believe that is in simplest form. All right, so 1 and 5/12 and 27/40. All right. Go ahead. Go ahead and try the on your own. I don't have any extra examples. I should have given you that time to do B. But go ahead and give on your own a shot.